Assalamu alaikum. My question is Forex permissible? If you use risk management and Sharia compliant broker that is riba free. So just generally it's asking, if Forex is permissible with these conditions.
Yeah, so I'll be completely honest with you.
Yeah.
I still haven't been able to get my head around it.
Okay.
All I've done is looked at the various ulama and the opinions they have about it.
Yeah.
The vast majority of ulama basically say that it isn't permissible. Right? I struggle with some of these types of issues in terms of the intricacies and all the financial instruments involved and so on. Never been particularly good at that. But my understanding is that the vast majority of scholars opine that it basically there's no way of Forex trading as it's done out there to be permissible if there is a question of Sharia compliance, if there's a Sharia advisor who says it is compatible with the Sharia, then I won't comment on that person's opinion. It really depends on what that opinion is based on, who that person is, and what that opinion is based on.
Yeah. I mean, the question does say if you use risk management and a Sharia compliant broker, that is riba free.
Risk management,
but that doesn't really have
risk management. Doesn't, I don't think it's the be all and end all from a Sharia point of view. And the question of a Sharia advisor depends on who it is and what they're relying on, what they're basing it on.
And would you also argue that the ulama are even just without all of that, regardless, the essence of Forex trading itself is what the ulama write about, whether it's permissible or not, or is it?
No. People have given fatwa on it in detail, and they've looked at it, and they've said that it's impermissible. That structurally there's no way. I've even read opinions that say that structurally there's no way for it to be permissible. That makes sense. The Forex trading element. There's currency exchanging, etc. And the possibility of whether there's room to make some profit there and so on. Which is a different question. It's not some people mistaken it to be something as simple as that. It's not. Forex trading is much more complex. And the reason why they talk about risk management is because they think that contemporary ideas, instruments around risk management fulfill the criteria in the Sharia for there to be no deception. But risk management and gharar, if in Shari'i parlance, are two very different things. Contemporary risk management can mean all sorts of things. It can mean insurance, right? Whereas in Shari'i parlance, that would simply mean that would be an additional haram. So we would have to look into the details of that. I'm not saying, like I said, I'm not an expert, and I'm not saying there isn't a way for this to work. And for this to become Sharia compliant. I haven't seen it. I'm probably not the guy to ask about it either because I don't know the details. But all I'm saying is that most ulama, they tend to who are informed about this tend to say that it isn't permissible, and as such it should be avoided.